Hi and good morning. I hope I'm audible. Yeah, at the back. Perfect. So, first of all, good morning and welcome to all the dignitaries on the dais, investors, delegates, startups, aspiring entrepreneurs, and students. I'm sure there are some students who are trying to create some kind of ventures. So, first of all, I would like to welcome you all. Uh, I think the startup ecosystem has seen a strong shift in terms of its transition right away from 2014. It's more than 11 years now, when we witnessed around a little less than 300 odd startups in 2014, and today we have a lakh and 95,000, touching 2 lakhs possibly by Diwali. So such a strong shift and expansion of in terms of number of startups, and this has been possible. This has become possible because of the support from the ecosystem enablers like what we are witnessing today, be it investors. Of course, government push is always plays a critical role, but then we have investors and accelerators, incubators, academic institutions. So before moving forward, I would like to give you a quick glimpse in a single slide in terms of what kind of work that we have done in last 7 active years from Noida campus, and now we have uh, a parallel regional office in the main Lucknow campus as well. And then we would take it forward. So I would request, yeah, perfect. So we started our active operations in 2017 in Noida campus. Initially, the incubator was established in Lucknow, but because that time the ecosystem was quite weak, so the board of governors decided to shift it to Noida campus. And we started our operations in 2017 in Noida campus. Right now, we are managing a portfolio of more than 300 odd startups across various sectors. And we have created an impact on more than 3,000 startups across the nation. We have a portfolio where we have startups from Nagaland, Kerala, Gujarat, and all parts of India. So we are covering almost all the states of India in terms of our footprint for the startups that we are supporting, because we offer various kind of physical as well as virtual acceleration and incubation programs, which is one of the key verticals in which we operate. So right now we have impacted more than 3,000 startups across the nation. And the portfolio through which we are supporting the ecosystem has a cumulative valuation of more than 10,000 crores as on date. And we feel that this is quite a significant number in terms of our active support, with looking at the time span, which is just 7 years, and of course you'll have to include the COVID time as well. Now, these startups have been funded from various sources at IML EIC, right? So the external funds that our startups have raised with the help of IML EIC support is more than 175 crores. And this is active number in last 3 to 4 years. And of course, we also have our in-house facility in terms of funding these startups, and we have funded more than 75 to 80 such startups from our own corpus as well. So we understand that funding is one of the most critical aspects for providing any kind of support, along with the capacity building or mentorship support. And that's how we are also working to create our in-house AIF, through which we'll be supporting the startups for higher amounts of funding. Now, something unique which we have developed over the years, which I'm sure not many startup enablers or institutions are running in India, is the concept of corporate venture capital and open innovation, right? So where we are working closely with more than 7 to 8 public sector and private companies, and we are managing their funds in terms of end-to-end scouting, doing their due diligence, closing their negotiation deals, and somehow we are able to manage more than 2,000 crores of their cumulative funds across various public and private sector companies which we are working with. And these are exclusive collaborations. So we are trying our best, and I'm sure in the coming months and coming years, you will see more of success stories that are coming out of IML EIC, because The core idea in terms of our contribution to the ecosystem is to nurture the ecosystem and to support the ecosystem in terms of not just raising the number of startups, but also ensuring that we have more of sustainable and successful startups in the ecosystem. Because the monthly inflow of applications that we receive on our portals are more than 500, right? But we ensure that only the ones which are the most promising and potential ones come on board, which is 3 to 4% of the total applications. For remaining, of course, we provide them some kind of feedback and advice in terms of how to move forward. But that's one aspect of story. We are working closely with government, and we are hearing that a huge amount of funds are on way in terms of research, innovation, and of course commercialization for various kind of tech-enabled startups. And this will be, of course, in various forms of debt funding and of course equity-based funding. I think the cumulative amount is more than 10,000 odd crores. And I'm sure because of government support, because of academic institutions and incubator support, the funding agencies, VCs, and various kind of stakeholders, I'm sure this ecosystem is bound to grow at any point of time, and we'll be number one in coming years for sure. So thank you so much, and I once again welcome you all to this event. Looking forward for strong association and some valuable feedback and contribution to the complete ecosystem. Thank you.